Every bottle of orange juice begins with perfectly ripened fruit beneath the morning sun.
Careful harvesting preserves the freshness that defines premium orange juice.
Fresh oranges move quickly to protect their natural sweetness. Quality begins before the fruit ever reaches the factory.
Modern handling protects every orange from unnecessary damage.
Freshness can be seen in every perfectly ripened orange.
Thousands of oranges are gathered with precision every harvest day.
The harvest is complete and ready for its next journey.
Speed and temperature control protect every orange juice ingredient. Now the journey continues from orchard to the modern orange juice processing facility. Temperature-controlled transport preserves every orange juice orange at peak freshness. The journey bridges fertile orchards with modern orange juice production.
Every kilometer brings the harvest closer to transformation.
Modern logistics keep orange juice production running without delay.
Every orange juice delivery is carefully verified before entering production.
The harvest has officially arrived at the orange juice processing facility.
Okay, keep it coming slow. Watch the gap, make sure it's secure. All right, you're set.
The first step inside the orange juice factory begins with careful unloading.
Now the orange juice production line is ready to receive its freshest ingredient.
Inside this modern orange juice factory, every process begins with precision.
Every orange juice orange enters a carefully controlled production environment.
Automation begins the moment orange juice oranges enter the production line. Every section of the orange juice factory works in perfect synchronization. Fresh orange juice. Oranges begin their journey through advanced processing equipment. Continuous movement keeps orange juice production efficient and consistent. Every orange juice production stage is monitored for maximum efficiency. The first cleaning stage prepares orange juice oranges for safe processing.
Advanced cleaning technology protects the quality of every orange juice orange.
Pressure looks good on this line. Yeah, the debris is clearing nicely.
Cleanliness is the foundation of premium orange juice production. Removing excess moisture prepares every orange juice orange for precise sorting. Every orange juice orange is individually inspected using advanced vision technology. Automation identifies only the finest oranges for orange juice production. Only premium fruit continues through the orange juice production process. Human expertise adds another layer of confidence to orange juice quality. Uniform grading ensures consistent orange juice processing efficiency. Only carefully selected oranges continue toward juice extraction. Every orange juice production parameter is verified before extraction begins.
The perfectly prepared oranges are now ready for the heart of orange juice production.
Now the heart of orange juice production begins, as the oranges are fed into the extraction machines.
Every orange juice orange is positioned for maximum juice recovery. Precision extraction captures the natural flavor of every orange juice orange. Every part of the orange juice orange is carefully managed for efficiency.
Fresh orange juice is collected under strict hygienic conditions.
Filtration refines orange juice while preserving its natural character.
Every batch of orange juice is adjusted for perfect consistency. Gentle mixing keeps every drop of orange juice perfectly uniform. Continuous flow keeps orange juice moving safely through production. Controlled pasteurization protects the freshness and safety of orange juice.
Every second of pasteurization is carefully controlled for orange juice quality.
Rapid cooling locks in the natural character of premium orange juice. Sterile storage maintains the purity of every batch of orange juice.
Precision homogenization creates a consistently smooth orange juice.
Careful blending ensures every bottle of orange juice tastes the same.
Automation keeps orange juice production precise every second.
Sealed transfer systems protect orange juice from contamination. The finished orange juice is now prepared for high-speed packaging.
Check the temperature on line 3.
It's holding at 4 degrees Celsius.
Automation fills every bottle of orange juice with remarkable precision. Every bottle receives the exact amount of premium orange juice.
Every orange juice bottle is sealed with perfect consistency.
Secure sealing preserves the freshness of orange juice.
Advanced inspection guarantees every orange juice bottle meets strict standards.
Every orange juice label is checked with absolute precision. Perfect alignment prepares orange juice bottles for efficient packaging. Robotic precision keeps orange juice packaging fast and reliable. Protective packaging secures every orange juice bottle for distribution. Perfectly packaged orange juice now moves toward its final finishing stage. Careful cooling, stabilized automated vision confirms every orange juice package meets production standards. Every orange juice package is verified for accurate fill weight. Traceability ensures every orange juice package can be identified instantly.
Every orange juice package is digitally verified before shipment.
Robotic precision prepares orange juice for large-scale distribution. Secure cartons protect every orange juice shipment during transport. Accurate logistics labels keep orange juice distribution fully traceable.
Every orange juice pallet is built for safe and efficient transportation. Finished orange juice pallets are now ready for comprehensive quality verification.
Before shipment, every orange juice batch undergoes rigorous quality verification.
Representative samples confirm the consistency of every orange juice production batch.
Perfect packaging is essential for premium orange juice quality.
Scientific testing guarantees the natural balance of orange juice. Strict microbiological testing protects every bottle of orange juice.
Appearance is measured with the same precision as flavor.
Every aspect of the orange juice production is meticulously checked, ensuring every batch meets our high-quality standards. Quality approval clears orange juice for final distribution. With every inspection complete, orange juice is ready for shipment. The journey of orange juice is almost complete, ready to reach customers around the world. Every approved batch of orange juice is stored under carefully controlled conditions. Organized storage keeps orange juice ready for fast distribution. Every orange juice shipment begins with accurate order selection.
Final shipping checks prepare orange juice for delivery. Every orange juice shipment is loaded with precision and care.
Safe transportation protects orange juice throughout its journey.
Every orange juice shipment leaves with complete traceability.
From orchard to market, the journey of orange juice continues.
Every bottle reflects the dedication, technology, and precision behind modern orange juice production.